Welcome to our channel. If you want to save for a down payment on a house, follow these step-by-step instructions to reach your home ownership goal faster. Step 1. Determine your target home price based on your local market and calculate the required down payment, typically 20% to avoid PMI, or minimum 3 to 5% for FHA loans. Step 2. Create a realistic timeline for your down payment goal by dividing the target amount by months until you want to purchase, revealing required monthly savings. Step 3. Open a dedicated high-yield savings account specifically for your down payment fund to keep the money separate and earn competitive interest rates. Step 4. Automate monthly transfers from checking to your down payment savings account immediately after each paycheck to ensure consistent progress toward your goal. Step 5. Reduce major expenses by cutting subscriptions, downsizing housing temporarily, or moving in with family if possible to accelerate savings significantly. Step 6. Increase income through side hustles, freelancing, overtime hours, or asking for a raise at work to contribute extra money toward your down payment fund. Step 7. Save windfalls like tax refunds, bonuses, gifts, or inheritance directly into your down payment account rather than spending on discretionary purchases. Step 8. Explore down payment assistance programs, first-time homebuyer grants, or employer housing benefits that could reduce your required savings amount substantially. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.